No. No. What? Fuck. I love this. By the way, this is one of my favorite pieces of music from all of the Myst games. Main theme, Jack Wall, Myst 4, Revelation. This song is amazing. Wall of Sound. Mwah! You are fucking awesome. And then it gets faster. Mind games sometimes work too. I took my brain out of the equation by making it think about music, and then I did the puzzle instinctively, subconsciously. I let my brain work in other ways, or something. That did it. That was amazing.